A lot of companies start because their founders see a problem. They're just living their lives, doing their jobs, and they notice something that's inefficient, frustrating, and just wrong. They think there has to be a better way. And for Qonto, that better way was a more modern approach to business banking. The story starts with two French entrepreneurs, Alexandre Prat and Steve Anavy. Back in 2016, they were working on their previous company, a smart e-cigarette venture. As with any small business, they were constantly dealing with the financial side of things, opening bank accounts, making transfers, managing expenses. They quickly found that the traditional banking systems were slow, outdated, and frankly, a huge headache. The process was complex, bureaucratic, and felt like it was built for a different century. They realized this wasn't just their problem, it was a common frustration for entrepreneurs everywhere. So, in April 2016, they decided to do something about it. They founded Qonto with a simple mission, to create a financial solution designed for the needs of modern businesses and freelancers. Their idea was to build a bank that was fast, easy to use, and transparent. A bank that actually saved entrepreneurs time and energy instead of consuming it. Qonto launched its first product in 2017 and quickly gained traction, first in France and then expanding across Europe. The company has since evolved into a comprehensive business finance solution, offering everything from business accounts and cards to invoicing and expense management tools. But it all started with that single moment of frustration in 2016.